Hi everyone, I'm Sonia. Welcome back to my channel. Today we continue where we left off last time. Let's dive straight into the core highlights of CCMT. We'll break down the top players shaping the global manufacturing landscape. You'll see that the machine tool industry is undergoing a profound transformation from manufacturing to smart manufacturing. In this episode, we focus on one key theme: global leading manufacturers. We deep dive into the latest technologies and global strategic layouts of top European, American, and Japanese brands. Enough talk, let's head into the exhibition right now. First up, let's take a look at DMG Mori. It was formed through a joint venture between Germany's DMG and Japan's Mori Seiki. It serves over 100,000 clients worldwide, covering aerospace, automotive manufacturing, semiconductor, and other high-end sectors. Its core competitiveness centers on modular design, building an MX manufacturing transformation solution ecosystem covering process integration, automation, digital transformation DDX, and green transformation GX. At this CCMT edition, DMG Mori unveiled its globally premiered DMFEM 40011 Traveling Column Milling Machining Center. It features a travel range of 40011001050 m, equipped with a cast iron bed and precision ground-cooled ball screws. It easily handles the machining of large structural components. An optional partition enables dual-zone simultaneous operation to boost productivity. It also showcased the innovative PH-Cell 500 modular pallet handling system, with a load capacity of 500 kilograms and support for up to 32 pallet stations. It perfectly fits low-volume, one-piece automated production. The all-new Celos X digital ecosystem is an upgraded iteration of its machine tool control system, powered by cloud databases and digital toolkits. It enables full-process digital production management. It supports two-way integration with workshop and enterprise IT systems for seamless supply chain data sharing. Embedded digital twin technology allows process simulation and optimization, just like the turnkey production line delivered to GEA Westphalia, delivering full life-cycle hassle-free services from procurement to mass production. Now let's turn to the elite European precision brands gathered at CCMT. Fellman specializes in micron-level compact machining centers, a hidden champion in precision components and medical device manufacturing. Its strengths lie in ultra-compact design and extreme precision. Boasting a streamlined footprint, it achieves machining accuracy up to 0.001 millimeter. Capable of stably manufacturing micro parts smaller than 1 millimeter in diameter. Widely applied in high-end fields such as dental implants. Its new exhibition models feature integrated on machine measurement and automatic compensation. Starrig focuses on the aerospace industry, solving machining challenges for large and complex aero engine structural parts. It excels particularly in blisk machining, adopting 5-axis simultaneous CNC milling technology. Paired with dedicated software and cutting tools, it processes difficult-to-machine alloys and addresses core pain points in blade manufacturing. Modular machine tool design enables flexible configuration adjustments. Its showcased models feature optimized dynamic stiffness, reducing vibration and improving surface finish quality. Exeron is an industry benchmark in hard material grinding. Its high-precision grinding machines adopt an adaptive control system, adjusting machining parameters in real time with a constant temperature cooling system. It delivers sub-micron level accuracy for precision grinding of hard materials, boosting efficiency by over 30% while extending tool service life. Besides these brands, United Machining Solutions also brought its proprietary technical solutions to the show. It focuses on multi-machine collaboration and flexible production, launching modular production line integration solutions based on customers' capacity requirements. It integrates processing equipment of different brands and types, realizing full process automation from raw material processing to finished product inspection. Equipped with its self-developed production management system, it enables real-time equipment monitoring and production scheduling optimization. It is ideal for high-mix, low-volume production scenarios. Together, these brands embody European industrial philosophy. Dominating niche segments with extreme expertise builds the strongest competitive moat. The three leading Swiss brands in precision micro-machining all attended this CCMT. Tornos showcased its star models CT20 Pro and Swiss DT26 South. The CT20 Pro comes with a 3.7 kilowatts air-cooled spindle, featuring a mechanically driven guide bushing and 5 sub-spindle tool positions, running on the reliable FANUC control system. The Swiss DT26 South is fitted with a 10.5 kilowatts high-power spindle, adopting modular tool design and an oil-cooled spindle with an annual output over 500 units. Models manufactured at its Xi'an plant have obtained CE certification. Rollomatix GrindSmart 830XW 6-axis linkage grinding machine sets the industry benchmark with a grinding diameter range from 1 mm to 32 mm. It integrates a 15-station grinding wheel warehouse and robotic loading and unloading system, supporting uninterrupted mass production of up to 4,500 pieces with grinding wheel flange exchange in just 5 seconds. The 6th axis further enhances overall machining accuracy, with integrated full-process machining technology delivering sub-micron precision. The wheel head feed achieves micron-level high acceleration movement. Index's turn mill compound machine integrates comprehensive functions, with a maximum spindle speed of 24,000 revolutions per minute and linear axis acceleration up to 1 gram. Rapid traverse speed reaches 48 meters per minute, with positioning accuracy up to 0.005 millimeter. It boosts production efficiency by over 50% and is equipped with an intelligent programming system, tailored for mass production demands. Siemens acts as the brain of modern machine tools. Its Signumeric CNC system is globally renowned, serving as the core controller for over half of all high-end machine tools. It offers digital native CNC controllers such as Signumeric 1, supporting multi-axis linkage control for full-spectrum machining applications. The highlight launch at this exhibition is the Signumeric MTR machine tool robot, a game-changer built on intelligent control concepts. It endows industrial robots with machine-grade performance, overcoming accuracy and rigidity limitations of traditional robots in hard material machining. Its path accuracy is 200% to 300% higher than conventional robots, with drastically improved dynamic stiffness. It is widely applicable in high-end manufacturing and diverse industrial scenarios. Available in multiple models, it features a payload range of 220 to 520 kilograms and a working radius from 2.6 to 3.6 meters, lifting overall productivity by 20% to 40%. It deeply integrates digital twin technology, backed by the Siemens Accelerator platform, enabling virtual simulation and process optimization to achieve zero trial production. This greatly shortens production preparation cycles. Real-time operational data synchronization supports fault early warning and continuous process optimization. Digitalization is the fundamental code Siemens writes for future factories. Beyond European and American giants, CCMT also welcomes renowned brands including THEK and Ocumer. They bring diverse momentum to the global machine tool industry. THEK is a global leader in motion control components, showcasing its latest high-precision linear guides and ball screws. Its linear guides adopt an integrated ball circulation system, featuring low friction, smooth operation, and micron-level positioning accuracy. High rigidity and wear resistance make it ideal for high-speed, high-precision machine tools, with professional dust and contamination resistance design. Its ball screws adopt a pre-tension structure to resist thermal deformation and enhance transmission accuracy and stability. Ocumer focuses on heavy-duty machining, with its heavy-duty horizontal lathe standing as an industry benchmark. It adopts a modular design, with key components built from Meonite high-strength cast iron. The spindle is driven by a high-power motor, delivering high-precision heavy cutting even at low speeds. The feed system uses large-diameter pre-tension ball screws, while the lower guide rail is fitted with imported high-wear-resistant copper plates. It is capable of machining heavy mechanical parts such as large flanges, widely used in wind power and other heavy manufacturing sectors. Finally, let's look at the two Japanese giants dominating East Asia, Mazik and Makino. Mazak's one-setup complete machining philosophy has far-reaching industry influence. with core technologies centered on efficiency, energy saving, and flexible production. At the exhibition, its self-developed deadline. Direct diode laser technology leads the industry. It achieves a photoelectric conversion rate of 45% to 50%, saving over 30% energy compared to traditional lasers. With stable laser output, high cutting precision, and fast processing speed, it delivers high-precision cutting for a wide range of materials. Ideal for batch production of automotive parts and aerospace structural components. Additionally, Mazik launched its latest 5-axis simultaneous machining center, equipped with a self-developed intelligent control system for multi-process collaborative machining. It reduces clamping times and cumulative errors with adaptive machining capability, adjusting parameters in real time to improve machining consistency. The machine is fully integrated with IAT technology, supporting real-time equipment monitoring, remote diagnosis, and maintenance. It minimizes downtime and maximizes production efficiency, practicing the concept of high-efficiency smart manufacturing. Makino is synonymous with ultra-high precision machining, holding clear advantages in mold and semiconductor component processing. Its highlighted V300 machine tool at the exhibition takes precision manufacturing to an entirely new level. It uses a thermally symmetric structural design to counteract thermal deformation, paired with AI vibration suppression technology to eliminate micro-vibrations. This enables nano-level machining accuracy for high-end precision product manufacturing. Beyond hardware superiority, Makino excels in software and ecosystem layout. Its self-developed IAT cloud platform enables networked management of multiple machine tools, collecting real-time operational data and utilizing AI algorithms for failure analysis and prediction. It provides early fault warnings and targeted maintenance recommendations, boosting equipment maintenance efficiency by over 40% and reducing unplanned downtime. Remote debugging and machining parameter optimization are also supported to meet customized machining demands of different workpieces. Furthermore, Makino offers customized processing solutions, optimizing equipment configuration and craftsmanship for industry-specific needs. It drives the evolution of modern manufacturing thinking, making high-precision machining more efficient, stable, and intelligent. We can clearly see the differentiation: German systematic thinking, European niche specialization, and Japanese extreme precision pursuit. All global industry leaders at this exhibition are advancing along different technological paths toward one shared destination: smarter, more efficient, and fully autonomous manufacturing. Their competition has long surpassed standalone equipment rivalry, evolving into a contest over solution packages, industrial ecosystems, and standard-setting rights. But is this the full picture? Absolutely not. Amid this global wave of smart manufacturing, China's industrial strength is rising rapidly. Leading domestic players including General Technology and Nidec made a strong appearance. As the national team of China's machine tool industry, General Technology showcased a lineup of self-developed high-end CNC machine tools, covering 5-axis simultaneous machining centers and high-precision grinders. Its independently breakthrough 5-axis linkage core technology has broken foreign technological monopolies, achieving machine positioning accuracy up to 0.005 millimeter. It supports the manufacturing of high-end components for aerospace, automotive, and other key industries, integrated with digital control systems and IAT technologies to realize intelligent full-process production management. Some of its products have reached internationally advanced technological levels, filling key domestic market gaps. Nidec focuses on integrated innovation of motors and machine tools. Its exhibition machine tools are equipped with self-developed, high-precision servo motors and drive systems, delivering fast response and stable operation. It achieves precise speed and position control with intelligent speed regulation, greatly reducing overall energy consumption. Meanwhile, its machine tools feature integrated motor condition monitoring, real-time tracking of motor temperature, vibration, and other operational parameters to enable early fault warnings and extend equipment service life. It is widely applied in electronics, automotive, new energy, and other industries. In the next episode, we'll focus on these Chinese national teams and local industry leaders, analyzing how they break through core technological barriers and compete head-to-head with global giants in the high-end market. If you want to keep getting in-depth industry breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Your support is my biggest motivation for creating content. That's all for today. I'm Sanya. See you in the next episode.